Independent clause and dependent clause. What is an independent clause? An independent clause can stand alone as a complete grammatical sentence. For example, the cat is in the room. The subject is the cat, the verb is, the prepositional phrase showing place is in the room. John hit his sister. Subject is John, verb is hit, object his sister. What is a dependent clause? A dependent clause cannot stand alone as a grammatical sentence because of an extra element that changes an independent clause into a dependent clause. It must always be connected to an independent clause. For example, because I was late. Extra element is because plus independent clause was equals dependent clause. When I miss the bus. Extra element is when plus independent clause is miss the bus equals dependent clause. The following sentences are examples of dependent clause connected to independent clauses. Because I was late, I had to run all the way to school. Dependent clause is because I was late. Plus independent clause is I had to run all the way to school equals complex sentence. I must drive to school when I miss the bus. Independent clause is I must drive to school plus dependent clause when I miss the bus equals complex sentence.